Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Gmail account on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open Gmail. So let's find the Gmail app. I have mine over here. Now once you are in the app, you need to tap on your avatar in the top right corner and then go to manage your Google account. Over here you want to tap on the email address that you have below your name, and then you want to go to manage accounts on this device. Finally, over here we need to select your account, so this is mine, and in order to log out you need to press remove account button. Keep in mind that you will be logged out on your whole device from this account, so if you don't want to do that, then of course you should, I don't know, like add another account as well and then switch on the Gmail app. But if you want to completely remove your Google account from your device, then this is how you can do this, and therefore you will also of course log out of Gmail. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.